each level inside your project can have some unique settings. Those unique settings can be defined inside the world settings. If we have multiple levels inside our project, each and every level can have a unique world settings, which will actually define how the game will behave. The world settings can be found inside this right-hand side panel, just beside the details panel. If your project does not have the world settings window, you can go over here inside this window menu and just enable the world settings. So the world settings consist of some properties which will define how the level behaves. Firstly, we have this game mode. So this is where you select and configure a game mode for your current level. The game modes defines the rule for your game, such as the number of players or the current score of your player or some win or lose conditions. So by default, with our template, we have this third-person game mode. If I just select this drop-down menu, over here, we have this default font class as the third-person character. It means when I just press play, you will see that this character is spawned in our level. If I select this and select none, now if I play our levels, you will see that no character is spawned and nothing is happening in this level. We are not able even to control anything inside this game mode. So all those properties are defined inside this game mode. I will set it back to this third-person character, and now we are able to control it again. Next, we have some world settings. So these settings affect the core aspects of your game world, like the level boundaries, the navigation system, and we have this option called as kill Z. It is the Z depth, which is a value that the actor can fall before it gets destroyed. So right now it has been set to -1000. It means suppose I am outside of this level and I'm falling down. So after I reach -1000 value, the character will automatically get destroyed. So for example, let us actually move this boundary up. And if I play, now if I'm getting outside of this boundary, I will just keep falling down unless and until I will reach -1000 level. And after that, our character will get destroyed. I can just, suppose I will just increase this to -5000. And let us now jump outside this. And now it took some more time because it is set to -5000. If I set it to -50 and if I jump, you can see after it has reached -50 value, my character is getting destroyed. Next, we have some physics properties for the world. So we can use this section for overriding the world gravity. So right now we have the default settings for the gravity, but we can select custom gravity. So I can just select this feature, and if I press play, you can see that now zero gravity has been enabled for this. So this thing is just floating in the air. It has zero gravity now. I can just set it to suppose -100, and if I play, you can see that this cube is slowly falling down. And if I set it to +100, all the meshes that supports physics or the simulate physics has been done on, all those will be floating upwards. Looks pretty cool. Then we have some more properties for the navigation, for VR headset and rendering and much more, which we'll be looking forward in future sessions.